Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Kafka Connect in Confluent Cloud securely. Detailed guide step by step clearly. First, ensure you have a Confluent Cloud account set up. Log in to your Confluent Cloud dashboard. Navigate to the cluster section and select your Kafka cluster. Locate the API key tab within the cluster settings. Click on Create API Key to generate new credentials. Record the API key and secret in a secure location. Next, open your preferred development environment or terminal. Ensure you have Kafka Connect installed and configured. Now, edit the Kafka Connect configuration file. Set the bootstrap.servers property to your cluster's bootstrap server URL. Add the security.protocol property and set it to SASL_SSL. Specify the SASL.mechanism property as plain. Then add sasl.jas.config to include your API key and secret. Format the JAS config as follows: org.apache.kafka.common.security.plain login module required username equals. Next, configure the Kafka Connect REST API settings. Set the rest.servers property to your desired endpoint. Restart the Kafka Connect service to apply the changes. Now, validate your configuration by checking the logs for any errors. If there are no issues, you can start creating connectors. To confirm authentication, try deploying a simple connector. Monitor the status to ensure it connects successfully to your Kafka cluster. For further security, consider implementing access controls on your Confluent Cloud cluster. This enhances the protection of your data within the Kafka ecosystem. With these steps completed, you have securely authenticated Kafka Connect with Confluent Cloud. You are now ready to utilize Kafka Connect for your streaming data needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.